Good morning children, welcome back to School at Home program. Yeah, 10th English, we will go with the story house, page number 138. Just you take out your page number 138. The continuation will discuss. Exchanging the pleasantries with the people he met on the way, Bayaji reached the public building called Takya in the untouchable settlements. So there were Meher caste, you know that, and Bayaji reached a building that is called Takya, and the building was named Buddha Vihar. That building is named as Buddha Vihar, where they adopted the Buddhism. As Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar, the children, when he was near to the Buddha Vihar, the children were playing with a ball made of rags. That means they made sounds, finished their game and cried out. Cried means they were shouting like Baiju Nana is here, Baiju Nana is here. Baiju Nana is here, and scampered means ran quickly in the direction of Bayaji's house. Bayaji 85-year-old mother. See, Bayaji's mother is 85 years old. She was quickly scrambled to her feet, walking heavy step because he was arriving. She had aged much, but her old worn frame was still sturdy. See, 85 means you can think, you can imagine the body structure, how it will be. But here the body is strong with old worn, and even she can break the grams. Her teeth was healthy, strong. She could thread a needle. She could also thread a needle without any other's help. And when she saw the Bayaji's arrival, her heart felt happy. Swelled means happy, overjoyed. As Bayaji came in, his wife concealed her joy, hid her joy with the pallu. Yeah. End of her sari, took down the box from his head. He took the box from his head. Who was carrying the box here? Bayaji was carrying the box. His grandchildren clucked to him, attached to him, and began to twist the folds of his dhoti. They were twisting or folding the dhoti. The neighboring children watched the scene in idle curiosity. The people who are staying near to the house, they were watching with curiosity. Come, get into the house, the children said. Bayaji. His mother walked out with a bent back and told Bayaji to wait outside the door. Bayaji obeyed. Bayaji was calling the children to come into the house, and the mother said to the Bayaji to wait some time outside of the door, and the Bayaji obeyed for that. The old woman came forward. See, the old woman came forward, poured some water over the piece of bread in her hand, moved it around Bayaji's face and flung it away as an offering. See what happened here? The old woman came forward and poured some water. You know disti. When someone arrives at home, you'll take red water or harati. You'll do all this to remove evil's eye, and flung it away as an offering. She ran her palms over his cheeks and pressed her fingers on her temples. Temples means here, like this, doing in this way. All eight fingers gave out a cracking sound. When she did like this, she got a sound that is called as cracking sound. Bayaji's family was doing well. They were well settled. He had eight children in all, 6 sons and 2 daughters. Bayaji had 8 children. Out of that, 6 are sons and 2 are daughters. The daughters had been married off. They were married off and had given birth to children. The daughters were married and even they gave the birth to children. The elder son looked after the fields. See what happened here? The elder will look after the fields, and the next two sons were in government service. The one after them was a school teacher, and the sixth one was still studying. Okay. Since they knew that Bayaji was coming home for good, and the elder son in service and the two daughters were already home to greet him, all of them wondered that what their father had got for them from his lifetime earnings. Since they know that Bayaji was coming home for good, they all know that he is coming for good purpose. The elder son in service, the elder one is in service, and the two daughters were already home to greet him. Why the two daughters were at home? Because they want to greet him. Who to whom they want to greet? They want to greet the Bayaji. All of them wondered what their father had got for them from his lifetime earnings. They were waiting what he bought for them. The next day, when Bayaji opened the box, it revealed only some pots and pans, nails, and photographs. The next day, he opened the box. What is there in the box? Only pots, pans, nails, and photograph. Only these things are there in that box. Looking at this, the elder daughter asked Nana, "How is it that you haven't brought anything for us?" Looking this, she asked, the elder daughter was asking to Bayaji that, "Well, you haven't brought anything for us." Bayaji was amused that his daughters thought in this childish manner even after they had children of their own. See, if the children will ask this type of question, they were grown up, even though they were like childish, they were behaving like childish manner. Who thought? Bayaji. He ran his eyes over all his children and said, "Look here, children, if I had brought new clothes for you, they would tear. If I had brought an ornament, it would soon wear out. Out of my earnings, I wish you to have something that will last longer." See what he want to do? He want to say like this: if he bought a clothes, it will torn off, or else ornaments, even that also wear out. So he want to do something which will be last longer. Bayaji paused after these words, stopped after these words. His eldest son was godly, pious. He said, "Neither we nor our wives want anything. Tell us what you would like us to do." See, the eldest son was saying that we are happy and even we or our wives doesn't need anything. But what you would like to do, please tell me. Look, children, ours is such a large family. Even at meal time we have to eat by turns or sit crowded. See, he was saying like this: ours is a large family. So even at meal time, we have to eat by turns. Turns means one after one, knocking our knees together. There were many, but rooms are very small. I wish to build a house out of my earnings. What he want to do? He want to build a house with his earnings, and it has to be a storied house, and it should be a storied house. What is the wish of the Baji? He want to build a house, that too storied house. The usual three-portion house won't be adequate for us. It won't be sufficient for us. He was saying three-portion house he was staying. All were happy with this plan. With this plan, they felt very happy. The plan was finished and the foundation of the storied house was laid on the auspicious New Year day. See, the plan was, everyone was accepted with the plan of Bayaji, and the plan was started on a good auspicious New Year day. We'll move with the storied house part 2 tomorrow, children. Till the time you complete the glossary and comprehension in your notes. Okay. Reading habit is a good habit. Kindly read the lesson once, twice, thrice. Okay, bye.